In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Odoo. We'll start from the Odoo home screen and navigate to the main dashboard. This is your central workspace, where you can access the different apps and tools available in your Odoo system. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the To-Do app and select it. As soon as you open it, the To-Do page will appear. And this is where you'll manage your tasks. To create a new task, click the New button. This opens a fresh to-do entry so you can begin adding the information for your task. Start by typing in the title of the to-do. Make the title clear and specific, since this will help you quickly recognize the task later, especially if you end up creating several items. After entering the title, set the deadline. Adding a deadline is helpful because it gives your task a target date and makes it easier to keep track of priorities. Once the title and deadline are in place, click Add. This adds the to-do immediately, so your new task will now appear in the list right away. At this point, the basic to-do has been created. If you want, you can stop here and continue adding more tasks the same way. But if you need to include extra information, click on the to-do item you just created, then click Edit. This lets you open the full task details and make the entry more complete. In the detailed view, you can add more information related to the task. This is useful when a simple title isn't enough and you want to give more context for yourself or your team. You can also add remarks or comments. Comments are a great place to include notes, updates, or anything important that should be remembered while working on the task. Next, go to the Tags field. Here, you can type a new tag or select from tags that have already been used before. Tags are useful because they help organize your to-dos into categories. For example, you might use tags to group tasks by department, project, urgency, or workflow. This makes it easier to filter and find related tasks later. Once you're done updating the details, click Save to keep your changes. Then return to the To-Do homepage so you can see the updated version of your task and confirm that everything has been applied correctly. And that's it. You now know how to create a to-do in Odoo, add important details, include comments, organize with tags, and save your changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.